In today's video, I'm going to share with you two best family cars that you really need to buy if you are a family person, and it is very good for money. And why am I introducing these family cars for you? Because it is very good car, and these cars are good for money. So buyers should start buying this car. I recently got a message from one video, and someone asked me about this car, which is Honda Odyssey, and the other one I'll introduce to it is Toyota Sienna. These cars are powerful American cars, and it is really good for money, because if I see people who are interested into buying a car, who are willing to buy a car, and I got this interest from them, I have to do a video instantly to help them so that they will know more about those cars that they are interested in. This will enable the person to go for this car. This will enable the person to buy it. This information will enable, motivate the person to know the particular car that he wants to buy. And this is why I am here, to help you get access to these two cars. If you really want to buy a family car, don't skip these two cars. These cars are very powerful, they are very good, and they are really, they are really good for money, which is Honda Odyssey from 2012 up to 2022. Come on, you are good to go. They came with V6 engine, 3.3 engine liter, which helps you to get powerful vibration, and it is very reliable in terms of fuel economy, which is very good enough, and it doesn't have overheating. It doesn't have any hidden fault. Since I discovered Honda Odyssey, this car is consistently progressing from the first model up to date model. Even the old type are very secure, but I want to really recommend you from 2012 up to 2022. Any of this model is good for you and good enough, which have good engine, good fuel economy. This car doesn't have overheating and doesn't have any electrical problem. So if you really want to buy a family car, although the price will be huge enough, but I'll urge you to go for Honda Odyssey or Toyota Sienna. Toyota Sienna also comes with V6 engine, which is 3.3 engine capacity liter, and inside interior is awesome. It is well designed car that if you want to own, you can use this car forever and ever. It will go anywhere, good for journey, off-road, any part of the road. So this is Toyota Sienna. I'll also urge you to start from 2012 up to 2022. Never go for below 2012, because there are some features that will require you to get more access, and in the fuel crisis everywhere, so these new features will also enable you to use less fuel when you are using it for your daily activities or for your business, which is Toyota Sienna. From 2012 up to 2022, you are good to go, and it's good enough for you than any other family car. There are so many family cars out there, but these two cars are it's highly rated, overrated, and you just do a research and get back to me. It's overrated, and it is very good enough car for you. If you really want to buy a family car of your choice that you want to use it forever, permanently, go for Honda Odyssey from 2012 up to 2022, or Toyota Sienna from 2012 up to 2022. 2022, which is the best car for you. I want to recommend. If you go for any other car, I don't have problem, but these cars are very economical, very reliable, and I mean it lasts. And whenever you are buying a car, make sure that particular car don't have wheel overheating. If you buy a car with that have problem with wheel overheating, then you may end up lose your car and your money and spend extra. That's why I'm recommending these two cars for you, so that whenever you want to purchase any of them, you can go for these models up to 2022 or up to date. Contact me if you want to get access to this sum of cars that you don't know from any location of your choice. If you want to buy this car from this platform company, Auction Export, they have it and they will do everything and ship you to your port of destination. Auction Export is a Canadian car company that sell cars, and they are worldwide across the whole continent. They are everywhere. So if you want to contact them, or if you want to buy a car of your choice with this company at your comfort country, without giving someone money to buy it for you or double the amount for you, contact these people. Their link will put in the video description, which is auctionexport.com. So once you open the link, this company will access you to sign up an account, and they will send you information with a link validation, so that you have to validate your account and your identity before you can get access to do business with them. They are very legit. You can get access live support on the platform, which they will tell you everything, what to do and how they can go about the process for you. So these two cars are money making cars, and it's good for business. They are wealthy cars. It's overrated cars. These cars are very good for you to go for it, and it helps a lot. So people out there, family out there, I introduce these cars to you: Honda Odyssey 2012 up to date and Toyota Sienna 2012 up to date. Go for any one of them. They are like twins and they are the same. They have a lot of features, good interior, well designed interior, well designed body, well designed shapes, light, good features, good stereos, powerful air conditions, good electronics controls, more assistance. These cars, and they are very advanced cars. That is good enough for you. So this is how I'll end this video. And if you don't understand anything or anything that I didn't bring in the video, make sure you put in the comment section, so that we correct ourselves and do quality videos in the future for you. We are family, we are community, and we are working together. Without you, we can't do anything. That is why we need your support. Subscribe to Ericautocenter, like the video, follow me on Facebook, Ericautotv. Follow me on Instagram, Ericautocenter. Follow me on Twitter, Eric_Auto and the Ultimate. All the links we put in the video description, so that you can also get more access and extra things that we are doing on these social media platforms. So thank you. I really appreciate your support. Until I meet you next time, stay blessed and God bless you all.